I've opened a 24-inch canvas in the Creativate Crafting software. If you want to change the canvas, you go up here and you can change your canvas here between the mats. But I will take this 24-inch canvas and work on that one. If you want to make a patchwork shape, you go down here into add. Don't mind that mine is in Danish. You go down to add and you go into figures. I think it's called figures in English, I don't remember, but it is with this triangle and the circle. And you choose your patchwork figure. In this case, I'm gonna choose a square. And I go to advanced. Right now mine is in millimeters, in metrics. If yours is in inches, it doesn't matter. The process is exactly the same. You enter here your finished, no, not your finished, but your cut size. If I enter 100 and click outside, just outside where I put the numbers in, it will change proportional. If you want a rectangle, you take this one lock position off, then you can make a rectangle, or you can change the size without proportions or off proportions. This is the cut size. I don't add any borders, I don't do anything else, I just click OK. This is my patchwork shape. Then I go into this multiplication tool over here, and if I choose the one furthest to the right, it says fill canvas. I click on that one and I get all the shapes in this size that can be on my 24-inch canvas. I can change the distance between the sizes, between the squares. Sometimes that will be a good idea because the knife will go around all the squares. So you will have a very small sliver here if you only have 1 millimeter. So I might change that one to 2 millimeters or 0.1 inch or something like that. And choose, I think I have apply maybe in English, but this one down here. And then you have all your squares. That's how you fill up a whole mat of the same patchwork shape. I've gone back. If I only want a certain amount of this patchwork shape, I can fill in on a line, horizontal, down, vertical, or I can fill horizontal and vertical for as many as I want. If I click this one, again, I can change the distance to 2 millimeters and 2 millimeters for me. And then I can put in the repeats, and the repeats are the extras. That is not the end result. You can see I have 1 repeat. That means I get 1 extra row. If I put in 2 repeats, I get 3 in all in that row. And this time I put 2 down again, then I get 3 rows. This, and you have to put in apply to kind of activate it. I hope this short video helped you. You can make you can make a lot of patchwork shapes by going into figures. We have the triangles, we have the shape, we have the diamonds, we have the hexagon, the octagon, the half square triangle. So you can make your patchwork shapes here. Hope it helps.